Good morning, gentlemen. Today's lecture topic is quantum computing. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing revolves around the quantum mechanism, where the classical computer uses bits in the position of 0 or 1, but in the quantum computing, it works on the qubits, which may have state 1, 0, or it may have 1 and 0 both simultaneously, which is called as quantum superposition. So this is how using the quantum mechanism, quantum computing has leveraged its performance and its performance has exponentially increased in the computation. In 1994, Shor's algorithm showed that quantum computing could solve large trillions of problems in just few seconds. And in 2019, Google achieved quantum supremacy through launching Google's Sycamore processor. And in the recent also, IBM is the first which created its lab. It's called as Eagle, which gave the quantum computing environment. So quantum computing is based on the 3-4 characters like quantum superimposition, where the quantum computing works on the qubits, where the bits 1 and 0 may take position simultaneously, which is called as superimposition. Second is quantum interference. When the bits are in superposition, they may interact with each other. It is called as quantum interference. And the quantum computing also uses quantum entanglement, where the state of one bit change the change in the state of one bit affects the change of another, which is called as quantum entanglement, and which powers parallel processing in computing. The quantum computing has a power in to bolster the applications in the sectors like AI/ML. It can process large amount of data parallelly. It will make powerful AI, and also the AI will help to improve the quantum computing, and both have a symbiotic relationship. They will grow together. Quantum simulation will also provide the simulation of proteins and enzymes, and which will help to grow the medical field also. The quantum key distribution will provide a stronger encryption to the data. So this is how quantum computing will leverage the world. There are many countries are contributing to expand its research in quantum computing. US, UK, India is also contributing it, and the companies like Google and Google, Microsoft, and IBM are leading the quantum computing era. But what are the drawbacks it's facing? Limitations faced by the in such research section is hardware, where it requires semiconductor computing hardware, and the research of Google's research has gone up to the 57 qubits, and IBM's research has gone up to the 127 qubits. But to use this quantum computing in real life application needs millions of qubits. Second is infrastructure and cooling. So quantum computing requires a very high cooling environment. These computers require a very high cooling environment and very different level of materials. So these are the limiting sectors which are affecting quantum computing. But day by day, the more the contribution, as it is expected that computing technology will grow to the 1.3 billions of dollar up to the 2035. So this is how the quantum computing will change the world. It will bring easiness in the technology and it will power the AI and definitely gonna benefit the human being by solving complex problems in just milliseconds. Thank you.